About graph transformation, they give you the original function and then they say that there's some transformation. You need to know how to interpret these changes, and then we have to find out what is the approximate shape of the new image. So this is our target, y equal to 1 minus fx, and it's not easy for us to analyze, so we try to tidy up. It's negative fx, and then we further plus 1. So to understand this transformation from fx, we find that there is a negative on top. That means the height, that means the result will shift upside down. So that's why it is refracted along x-axis. Refracted along x-axis. After that, for every point, we just directly increase the height by 1. So it will shift up by 1. It will shift up by 1. So to do so, we try to find out the original function for each option, and then we try to perform the following the mentioned procedure, which is shift it upside down. So from this point, we jump to this point, and then we shift it like this. After that, we will plus 1, so shift it like this. It's possible to become this line, so this may be our answer, but we better reject all other possibility. So now this is fx. Shift it upside down. Should be closer like this, and then shift up, so it may be like this. This is not our answer. C. When we shift refract along x-axis, this 2 point is fixed, so the graph is like this. And then we further move it up, the graph should be like this. That's why this is not our answer. So finally, you'll find that it's do not shift along x-axis, that means do not move left or right. So that's why this is impossible also. The answer should be A. If you can understand how to transform the graph, interpret its meaning, this kind of question is relatively difficult because they tell you which one is the new one, which one is the old one. There are some more horrible questions that they don't tell you which one is the old one and the new one, and then you have to compare one by one. So it spend more time in those kind of questions. But if they give you the original function, it's really easy to find. If you get used to it, usually you can solve it accurately within 1 minute.